ya Uhuru Superstores na bukwege na muna ekale ya watagete ni kwa yenye wikira no tutari rero eliwe nyolere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chiriche biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo musongo iwerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iwere angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamage bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Wiyakima mwanjwa humo rigarali Getembe TV na kwa rigarali ase EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE litukeliga lya 25 nemo gositariki 25 nemo chomutienyo kianda umwaka bwetirwe na 25 ase EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE magoroba ya lero nigo na kwa rigarali amange kwa monori tukolia lero nigo ebyama ao byanya kwa bigotwara emisangerekano ao iyo bwate chiganga ase kiama ya ODM kyanya kwa bigotwara umuyiga omanene ase county ya Kisii gose egeti Kisii stadium na boigo ebyama kelia Jubilee na boigo kelia PLP na kirogotwara gose na birogotwara musangerekano gose misangerekano ende ase mucho Nairobi boigo kiama kya UDA na kirogonigo kya bwatuka certificate gochia ase abarwaneri ao abo bagochikoranira ebirogo obi ao asabo chalyo bake ebole motwe nanda mango mwancho murigerali ntaro na kwarigerali ase EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE nchini ngongoro ku HARON OTOTO Nyangiri otokubata na kuransa memenyelio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli
watu wamekaa namna hii na nataka nitochee ndugu yangu wa Mombasa. Mkutano tukija Mombasa ikuwe kubwa kuliko hii.
Ekiama gya ODM gochengira oko bawase myaka 20 umuyiga hokoleka segeti kya Kisii stadium insiyo burayibu mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musike Paul Simba Arati
ya toire endagera abana balire etogori kwesa bayibuli baito abana bali balenka bachi sukuru tuwareterwe endagera ebuatoro nutrients
orotota umurobelio bokorwero ngoli go chiasa baruki waba ACD ime county Nyamira umurobelio chagatibwe no mugavana bwe county Musike Amos Kimominya libo
Samson, a teacher from Kisii County. Yeah. Let me give an assessment, a summative assessment of what is going on in our schools, junior schools.
Aborokia ba junior secondary school gose JSS ni go bagendete gosegeta ogwetenera gose autonomy. Mwanju murigereria EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE togochakurwa ase county ya Kisii ase ritukuria rero ababwatani be kiama kia ODM banyaka bagotwara omusangagano omonene bogochengera okoba ogwekiama ekio ase emiaka 20 yaerire kurukia rasatigwe ikiama kia ODM nigo kiarasigwe mwaka bwa 2005 was 2005 na gwika bono chinga kikenya gogochengera omwego yo nigo kiabeire gekogenderera kubwatikana amo ne chingwana chiabarai bali banyaka bagokwana Sangeragano yo nigorawa amo no mukonyi bumurai wekiama ekio omoske po simbarati oyo igole mugavana we county ya Kisii mukonyo nde bumurai wekiama ekio oyo mugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdulsomad Sharif Nasir na boigo omokonyi obumurai wekiama ekio gatatu oyo mo senator we county ya Vihiga omoske Godfrey Ososi oroboti orwo nigorwarekaniwa no mulkito Daniel Ontiri
na segeti kia Kisii Stadium ime yomochewo songo asabarai au baikirana asoko chengere myaka 20 yekiama ekio omoiga oikiranwa nabatietereria ba ODM bali babwateganga ase birego au wetere ekiama ekio nabamenyi kurwasi chinsemo au asorongorwa Kisii okwana chinga kecho abarai abo nigo bararirie omochakano muyago chiasa matukale bosio na kwaeneke bona ekiyoka na kikiama giechinguru
kwa sasa mpaka mwaka 2027 tunasema sisi tuko ndani ya broad based government, na ikifika mwaka 2027 we will refuse to be in the opposition. Mambo ni mawili, tunaingia kwa coalition ama tunaingia katika urais sisi wenyewe.
Unajua wakati ODM ilikuwa inaanzwa na baba, hata rais mstaafu Uhuru alikuwa hapo, hata rais Ruto alikuwa hapo. Ndio maana mimi nasema hata chama kingine kikijaribu kutawala Kenya hii haina uwezo kuifanya bila kunyonya machungwa kidogo. Ukweli ama sio ukweli?
Nimeambiwa hapa na Oledama kwamba mkutano ya kwanza kufanyika watu wamekaa namna hii, na nataka nitochee ndugu yangu wa Mombasa, mkutano tukija Mombasa ikuwe kubwa kuliko hii.
Asense mwende niko bakwandire gati ya monchulio yekiama ekio kiaenekiria kurwa chingaki chego chakigo kwaye igati yabo okoleta bomo no kubwatiririgwa kubosi bole bwa Kenya.
Kusherehekea miaka 20 ya demokrasia, real democracy, kwa sababu ndio Raila Amolo Odinga amesimamia.
Na meli ya ODM imeng'oa nanga katika jimbo la Kisii, na nahodha bado ni shujaa Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. We are celebrating the party of the masses, the party of liberation, the party which brought freedom.
Tumesaidia hii nchi kama chama tukiongozwa na kiongozi wetu Baba Raila Amolo Odinga.
Chinga keche choboigo nigo eburaburu yenekigwa asitageka chinke chinga kigati yabasae barolekana bakurutana ibirogo oguturubana nonyene bo gwatenenigwa nomuyegoyiga ogendeligwa.
Na tunauliza tafadhali, tutamaliza mkutano vizuri.
Injili igoro yekiama gya ODM.
Muko tayari?
Nkurubutari gatoseni kia Getembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii ritreni nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Na mwancho morigerera tugatene hamangana yebyama nigori tukulia rero omurayo mukoro bwense ya Kenya gusomurayo kane bwense ya Kenya umuske Uhuru Kenyatta nigara ababwatani bekiama gya Jubilee asomuskangerekano manene omerekete na NDC ime yomoche o Nairobi asabanya ko bagokwanira amange igoro ye kugenderera kwekiama ekyo egati yabarai bali banyaka bagokirana ase omusangerekano yo ngamo no muwasiri omukoro bwoborendi bwime umuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngamo n'abajumbe abange habwa abange babo barenge abo bwatani gose barenga abajumbe gose abajumba bakoro nabo igo abajumbe bali bale abisi kwetera ase kiamekyo ogia Jubilee.
Kwa sababu kati yetu tuko na CS Matiang'i, mpigeni makofi. tuko na members of parliament waliokuwako na walioko wakati huu, wote nitawasoma pamoja. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Peter Kimari kutoka Mathioya, ndiye huyo. Mheshimiwa Maji kutoka Kajiado North, ndiye huyo. Mheshimiwa Kibe Gitura na pia alikuwa senator, amekuwa ambassador. Kebi Gitura kutoka Murang'a, ndiye yule mzee wa kazi. Mheshimiwa mwingine mzee wa kazi, Mheshimiwa Jenga Mugai, pieni makofi, ndiye huyo. Tuko pia na Richard Tongi kutoka pande ya Kisii. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Arama, yule yuko mpaka wa leo. Mheshimiwa Arama, pieni makofi, ndiye yule. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Senator Janet Ogera, pieni makofi, ndiye huyo. Ndiyo yule pale, asante sana. Mheshimiwa Asanyo kutoka pande ya Kisii, asante sana. Mheshimiwa Governor Kimemia. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi. Fanya uchaguzi 2022. Na katika nominations zetu tulikuwa na dosari. We did not do what needed to have been done by a party of our stature, a party with a 10-year record. Na kwa sababu ya mambo mengi ambayo yalifanyika, tunasema pole. We are now determined to ensure that we bring changes in the National Elections Board so that these coming elections, 2027, are done differently, transparently, fairly, and everybody must be given an opportunity to become what he or she desires. Kwa hivyo, kitu ya kwanza, kwa sababu ni jambo ambalo tuliona, mimi nataka kuwauliza, mnakubaliana na sisi ya kwamba ukiangalia katika notice yetu, nikirudi nyuma kidogo, if you look at our notice ambayo tulichapisha kwa gazeti on the 5th of August, kuna mambo ambayo tunatakana kuyakubaliana leo na yako pale nambari 2. Tuko na haja ya kuangalia mambo ambayo yako kwa katiba. Na tunapoyaangalia, nataka ni mwanchwa omo ligerali kubwatikana mono komera na ukukwa babwatani ebe kiamekia Jubilee baraibwaye mwaske Uhuru Kenyatta niganyara kwa kwaneke buna amatuko alebosio nigikiamekira tiko imukia ebitambugero ao nakora emerobeli ao annemono yogotarera ense yonsi ya Kenya ngimavune nchira yamoyo gotinya ekiamekio iganya kwa gatabakia beire gigokira ase emiaka ange 3 bono kurwa obochori obonne humwaka bwechiri bubere na 2022.
At this same venue, ready to begin a process that should have been normal in any mature democracy. A process of rejuvenating our party and infusing it with new leadership, a new crop of leaders inspired by a new generation who would craft our party's future as well as our shared vision for our country. After having handed over the reins of state to a new administration in a peaceful and orderly manner, as you all witnessed, I expected the same for our party. Unfortunately, this was not to be, for reasons as explained. You know what you want. It is not for me to tell you. You know what you want. You have the energy to get it. And time is on your side. Musibaki nyuma. In the next few weeks, we shall be rolling out our recruitment strategy across the country. Across generations and gender. This in conjunction with other activities aimed at rejuvenating and reinvigorating our party at grassroots level. Our doors are open for all well-meaning Kenyans, and it is my intention to oversee a smooth and transparent process where it shall be the will of the party membership that shall prevail. Nyinyi wenyewe. To remind Kenyans that the Jubilee Party, as you well know, and for reasons that have just been given has been largely silent for the last 3 years for those reasons. When we last convened a national delegates conference prior to the 2002 general elections, the party resolved to become a member of the Azimio la Umoja coalition because I, as party leader then and now, was convinced that the coalition and its members shared a common vision for our country. In the years since then, however, the Azimio coalition membership has undergone changes. I don't need to elaborate, nyinyi nyote munaelewa. However, notwithstanding these changes, and as we speak today, the party, as per the decision of our organs, remains a member of what is left of this coalition, and any decision on whether to reinvest in it or leave it will be a decision for the party's new leadership.
Tutigarite na mang'ana yuo age siasa nigo abarai au baria bakwamereria nsemo ya serikali bakorawa amo no muraiwe kiama gia PLP omoske Martha Karua, muraiwe kiama kia Wiper omoske Kalonzo Musyoka, muraiwe kiama gia DB Justin Muturi yuchini wa Marwa ODABK na Waigori Gachagua ODCP ngana ba unyara bokoba abakumira na ase umuyiga bogosegeta eganga yomoske omosubate Martha Karua yokoliye garokyo baraiwe nse asobo chale banebo mwaka bwechirwo bere na 25 bakwana chinga kiechyo nigo banyara kwa bakwera chinga kichi nyinge ase banyaka bakomotogia omoske Martha Karua na boigo chinga kichinde komochia na korage byara serikali ya Kenya yewe kurawa no muraiwe nse omoske William Samuel Ruto.
The road ahead will not be easy, but let this conference be remembered as the clarion call. PLP is ready. Martha Karua is ready. Kenya is ready. And together, with humility in our hearts and unity as our shield, we will not only contest an election, we will reclaim our republic.
And today, seeing the PLP giving you that honor, may I say to you, it's just not an honorable thing, it is also a very onerous task you have undertaken. To lead this great party into the next presidential election. But we are here to tell the members of PLP party, Martha Wangari Karua will not walk alone. We will walk with her. We are here to tell you that unity is not an option. It is an imperative of our time. And we are going to make sure we stay united the way you saw us at Liberation House in February. Simetuona bado tuko pamoja.
So I want just to say, Mother, we are very proud of you. We know you have walked this journey together. Some of us have sacrificed. We don't want to also glorify sacrifice. You can never sacrifice enough for your country. And so, 29th, vijana, chukueni kama una kitambulisho kwanza hands up. Kitambulisho na registrar of persons awe mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha kwamba vijana ambao wamefika umri wa miaka 18 bila matatizo yote kuulizwa mambo mengi anapata kitambulisho, kisha baadaye aanze safari ya kuchukua voter registration, awe asajiliwe kama mpiga kura.
Let nobody worry that Martha here is a presidential candidate, Kalonzo Musyoka is presidential candidate, Rigiji is presidential candidate, Eugene Wamalwa is presidential candidate. As the Honorable Martha has put it, let everybody go and mobilize for votes. Go and sell your candidature, sell your vision, and convince Kenyans that you can be president. And then when we sit, as it has been very well explained, we want to assure the people of Kenya that we shall sacrifice.
Na umwanchwa umurigererie chingaki aborokia aba junior secondary bagendete kurigia gose bagende gusegeta gwatanano kwabo gose kwenyola chinguru chiabo asegesongo bakoroga autonomy nigo egati aborokia bukuru ase county ya Kisii banyakoba bakogendera kurwa okobori gocha ase wizara y'ekisemi yekora omuwaziri Julius Migosi ogamba kwatananwa kurwa ase ebirasi biri bimanyikata na chiskuru cyo boroso gose primary schools kolengana barabo nigo batarara magendera ndonsi ase asoma yo a junior secondary ase chiskuru bakorera obokoreri bwabo gose ase chiskuru bakorokereria munako tumanyia umurikito Difoni Asanya.
Autonomy viva! Viva! Autonomy viva! Viva! Nekerero kiabaro kiabe chiskuru chia JSS ime county ya Kisii. Asebono besokire na kwemurungania asabagotebanga nigo barorekanire bakunirigwa nonye na soborai.
August power! Power! Autonomy viva! Viva! I'm Nyachai Samson, a teacher from Kisii County. Yeah! Let me give an assessment, a summative assessment of what is going on in our schools, junior schools. Number one, for the last 3 years, capitation has been received, but we have never seen any kind of progress. We have never seen lab equipment in our school. We have never seen Wi-Fi in our schools.
I'm Madam Zipporah James, a JSS teacher in Kisii County. Speaking on behalf of youth teachers, we are asking for clear career guidelines on career progression. We are asking, as youth teachers in Kisii County, when are we going to grow? When people are being deployed to come and be our administrators, where is our space in junior school?
Gente tanga ni twanyorera ase bogosomi kugwa primary chied teacher chinyinge niko chitachireta abana babakebu na into gosomi ekito tachiretense ntete to imokimo tugoro lakini kere twarigereiri egento bagotobuni capitation iri batete go control
unenjira ya moyo goikirania amasomo a sekerengo gya CBC
na ndente bye kiombe geto kia nat umurikyo bo monene igoro na kwanita mangana agechetia bari mu ba junior kerato diminity ari asamatanga enge ntunto bwati segi na nat ntobu ati segi na kupet.
We cannot be told to improvise balls to give students for them to nurture their own skills. Yes. In fact, what we want, capitation to be provided, and then the lab equipment be provided, and also the ball equipment.
Komenta na yuenigo bagenderete kolera e welfare yabo anene asobokoreri.
So we want those teachers working in remote areas to be given enhanced allowance. Yes.
Gukonekere kionigo bano baruro kubulia guchese serikali gwatana na ekirengo gya JSS gwetenenera na boigo gukirusia ase skuru yoboroso bunenjere yemo yokobali bagalioko babarai na boigo gukinya ekirengo kya masomo.
Yego rujara dabere kinyanjwi ndabate baiga ntuna balimu bakupe tukurwa se county ya Kisii etu akiraiga ko support abalimu baito ba junior school watebanga mbatakeire gwetenera ase ngenjo ne group ya Getengani ose school ya Getengani etere gwetenera ase bintu byonse atota ya serikali nga support abalimu abo
abe serikali yeto ya Kenya etotagete junior school ebe independent ntubuna toreiga nabo tokonyara ko bano echi principal nabo tokonyara ko bachi deputy principal erinde torani chi school.
We don't have to have a lot of friction in place as it is at the moment, because we are fighting in this country and there is no need of us fighting, yet we are teachers. Our interest is the learner. The learner is the one that is suffering down there, yet we have a government in place, a government that is supposed to take the interest of the teacher at heart.
So for the child in the class of CBC to fall into a correct career pathway, autonomy must prevail. For us as junior school teachers to progress in our careers, autonomy must prevail. Yes. For junior school teachers to realize the professional growth, autonomy must prevail. Yes. Solidarity forever.
Kuripotiri kitaseni kia uwanchete kia Getembe kurega se county ya Kisii letari na enkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Na mwanchomo rigerari magiga ya serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira guchakia omoroberio gwokwena erongori gochiase abana gusaborokiwa bebirasi bya ICD mulimo uyu nigo gose omoroberio uyu nigo chakibwa bene ase skuru imeye kaunti ya Nyamira gusanga no mwalimu munene bwe skuru ya Riabore DOK Charles Nyabuto nganya kabaga gotuyo omoroberio uyu esanya kawagotanga oire libaga gochia asaborokiwa kubeka birengerero byabo byonsi ase amasomo muri keito Pokara na mange
moroberio bwo kwenana erongori gochiase chiskuru na nene gochiasa abana balia ba ECD nigo ochagetuwa muno mugavana we county Nyamira Moski Mumenyalibo oyu olengete kunyara kabagoko babana chinga kinyororo abo igokoretwa mwese gochiasa abaiboli na nene bali bakurukuru ase chama to chiri chitari kwenyara elio abana kwenyorera chinga gicha bene gosoma ase chisukuru
entu tuachira gotarambu jabono for our county ya tolendere program ya feeding ya tolendere rongoli bona tulega abana banyule benchoiri mono batebirenga tugenderere serikali yetombu yere
skuru ya ya St Gregory the Great Riabore DOK yamo y'искuru chiri cha bwatero mu ruligo kaboko tukomere na muna abana abiga bakolje kunyurunguri yiga bali no magoko munene kulingana muno mwalimu munene bwe skuru yiga aselita Charles Nyabuto igagendere ko bwagwakira ngambye mu cyase serikali ya kaunti Nyamira asokoreto mu ruliga ase skuru yendate birya segetira abana nabigo otababunira ngole ne tukunyara ko bwakonya abana bwikirano
omoroberio bwe county yaito ya toire endagira abana balire etogori kwesa bayibuli baito abana bali balenka bachi skuru tuwareterwe endagira ebwatoro nutrients yani madini yonsi pi bono mwana ko nakonetibi ko bengenje bune biheli igo okosoma okuya okuigotokuya igo njengo rekwesa abaibuli baito bato abana bachake foundation na liyo skuru yaito erakole buya
nigo kulenganamo na Charles Nyabuto agendere ko boigo gagusegeta okubwatana kobo egati ya committee skuru yiga eyo naonye nabo yanjiraniro mu ruburi yiga kulenganamo na brabo boigo basabira abaibuli kwene kibuna ko bwatuka para abana ochase skuru
inje board of management nenu thank you so much muatorendire tisifa muatubekira hamo in harmony to ndo kolega asibuya ne skuru yetrojenga muna togenderete egende tokwenda mutu tokotabanga forward ever backward never
ningana bwo yagandire ko bageko igwoko boko muna Catherine Omenge oyoro mwalimu mukonyi bwa skuru yiga amona Barnabas Onderi oyu oli omo board member
nigongwa kere county ito ya Nyamira ngambia mono asomoroberio oyo baroberia igoro yogokonya abana baita bake neriero ngwendagire baretera se skuru nigera konya abana abange baigote buye kiagera kera abana bawanso musingi nigo batakere baigote naria masomo abo arabe buya gutira
nare ko request abaiboli nka bareta abana so bongese skuru gaiga ili abana banyare basoma banyora amasomo ke barabake nari baraba bantabaya
kulenganamo na Madam Ruth Nyabuke uyobera umwalimu wo gusomya ase preschool ase matuka mange nigate biringa ase matuka mega nigeme chando yarenge onane kurase chiamata chiritari kwenyara indu kulenganamo nera tebire bono kirati kunyara kabage ko bakonya abaibuli abange konyoro mweso na baigo abana goichase chiskuru kubwatikana muniro nguri yiga eyo kulenganamo nera tebire ere yo waito bonene ase nere boiga singire na gusegeta abaibuli ko bwatuka abana goswase chiskuru ili kwenyorere gesomo bachagwe konya samatuko ale bosio
tuna balimu konye to gwetera challenges kinyinge singinjo konyora nga abana bande mbali bakuruchi family okonyora nga mbatabwati kende bakuri bacha iskuru balenchara lakini gwetera somorobero yoiga rero ntwagoka singinje kere twacha komorobero yoga twanyora abana barabange na inde bali babwate challenges na baro begokiri kunywero ngori amana bali konye bakonywa twatebire nga baibuli baito tigabatoretera abana asobonge ili abana banyare ko bagosoma nabo igo begokie nindagire ye county yito yatoire
kuripoteri gitaseni kya wanchete kya Getembe kurwasi skuru yiga ya Riabore ime ya sub county ya Masaba North ime ya county ya Nyamira inchi konkuru kwa Polycarp okara
mwancho muligereri goikirabo nigo tokugenda mutimo komokego tokwira na tunya tokugendera na mange ayo nakwariganiria ase EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE magoroba ya lero igo toskoshare
tunaendelea, tuko katika broad base, lakini sisi tumejipanga, tutahakikisha ya kwamba ODM is going to form the next government or they will be part of the next government. ODM will never be called an opposition party again in this one. Kwa mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu.
Eduka ya obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolire iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorosya chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomenya seka ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chechi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani ochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bukwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabuigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwato korolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangwe neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekorwa obukorere ase CHINSA mu buno savings loans obusemye bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali CHINSA chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase CHINSA muna obusemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boigo chi advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarire chiabis chiabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya Kisii sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa isa kwa mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora Wakenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tubwate branch chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu tora wanogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yito bagusije yito esa magenda Wakenya Pamoja you our concern.
na mwanchwa murigali ama tukamake maiga chingwa na gochaka gutara chinsemo ao nemono igoro ye bonus kurwase ligasa noboremi wechae kurwase county ya Nyamira ase gotebekana abuna che factory isano na mokurwase county yo nigo chiraje kobwatokera abaremi chishiringi 13 kurwa ase kira ikiro nigo igetambukerekio kiereire ebirengerere ao kurwa ase abarai ao abanyaka bago kwana litkolia lero aso muyigo yomo obwa matanga munago tumenye muri kito fatigari Gesemba
abairi abasani naboigo abarai bechingenjo ao mbaikirana asumuyega webirero yoko mwenia oyo kabeiro mo MCA omochore wekiama kya ODM kati y'umwaka w'ekirubere na 12 weka umwaka w'ekirubere na 22 ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira asereta Damaris Mouni oyoboigo ase mirimo yaye ataraswa siasa urenge omworokia igati yabarayabo baikirana igo bamurera asubiya bwaye
Damaris nero rengesiro yaito kurwaria sawa samarwami mpe iyale wote ni mabumo mosacha ote banga kelimpa letena kinkonyora nale wote ya bantu bamindala sani abana bane ba Damaris endu ya nemunyi nyasaye tatanero rororo tiranga barwanirere
ase omuyiga oyoiga nigo mwana siasa Jeremiah Migosi oyo orokirie ganga yogocha kuria ekirogo kyo boseneta bwa Nyamira aorokia ubutagokwa kwaye ase chibesa chinge omuremi bekemerige chae agochia gwakanwa ase bonasi omwaka oyo
namangana yecha tokonyokorerera boiko yogari ebako we bonus ya 57 shillings nduse itoga nero ni bachede kobwata bako ba shilingi 12 ege ndonda doko saba abantu baitoga abanyamira mo basa wisara samwanje ekermubugeta abantu bisi banyare ko bayibera chibesa ochakira next week tutaida ba director bonds bibali barenge in charge yechae baichega batotebinga chibesa chechae chiachete ochi onya baikoyo bare ko ni just toko ni bakayo 57 shillings na intunduta chibesa cheto waiga
Douglas Orutwa ongeo poigo obwatirango yobo MC bwabo gishora nerenigo akwana yaiga igoro ye bonus y'umwaka oyo
kemerige chae kerokyo na bondo chuna ba abalemi ibanyanyase ege kogera we expected no na ba director ba chete ne ba bagoche ekura yani kilo 50 shillings takiro ndega twanyote ekiro omwana omulemi akwaye wajia shilingi chile 13 shillings no bosoku sana ichirese sana abalemi na bondoche abantu abangi bari uja konyakwira bana school isali ntubaiga gusito dependent ya magana yechae
kutigana nayo yekemerie chae nigo mwonjoreria oyoboigo ore omwana siasa kurwase bunge ya West Mugirango omuske Rogers Muturi nigo amochire oburai bwaye omubunge o West Mugirango muske Stephen Mogaka asikiria buna nigo atarakora emirimo yaye buna ebwenerete
Gigante byo bantu baminto ase chikura chirina voltirasi time bakire na biamono muangete chikura chirocho umuntu utuiberete nereta manyite ikereta matrigasi nene mono yarengi lakini pia tunakumusabirana kulelia na mambimbo kitu
nonya nigo omudirector o Kenya Dairy Board omuske Josephine Mura omanwa oyonere uganetie ekirogo kyabangina imeye county ya Nyamira nigo akwanira enjira amabere arachikorika abasae asamatuko aribosio
ono yana lete sikopa litumkere awards chiriki wasangelia amabere egere abana baitwanya legasi elchane lutsire sikogaiga Kaya tatore kiri merkeza koronti ku December. Pero takobera ala Nyamira county. Eko likawana 10,000. Pero tasama wako yo mukungu. Josephine Mura umanwa. Kuruaria sumu antumita serikali. Nale wasawa antuwa mintuma kwa nifamu. 2027. Obarabua kuna aletire. Kwa endere lioka. Nyamira erabe.
Chingaki echecho nigo baburirie omugusi agenderere kumusira omuwasiri omukuru Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yaye yogochekuria ekirogo ky'oburai bwense
ila bantu bamintu ntege ntunda basabe to support omwana ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i nere ntisomwate omumura omutomunaga alya atene no bia babusi aka vinto bigotingo wotamata gaiga ilo wotirimo kugesa ulia Fred Okengo Matiang'i Toba tenda bagusinto bwa numbers abagusinto abange n'abasali to bwa abange tumusuhume abana baito bali bali soba basuhume abasali baito basuhume ndoko bamba bana baito bagusi isai tuatoro tema
Hingo ripota ya Getembe korwa Gatente igigotoke ni wodi ya Township West Mugirange County ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Isemba
na omwanchwa omorigere togendrete nigo omokonyi bomurai bwense omosike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki oyibo igore omokonyi bomurai bw'ekiama kia UDA ritukulia lero ara omuyiga gose omusangerekano bwokwena na certificate gochiase abarwaneri baria barachikwemukie gose kweruruki ebendera ekiama ekio ase obochorio boke buri mutwe okwana chinga kiecho niganyaka bakwane kiabuna egatie birogombire gose CHINSA monchire ekiama kia UDA getari gochikobeka abarwaneri zanyaka bagakwanira ensemo ya Uguncha ensemo ya Magarini na boigo ensemo ya Kasipul asanya kabagote abuna nigo amabagayu atigarire ebabwatani bekiama gusaba bwatani ba serikali ya broadbase yuere ekiama ya ODM asabo iganya rakobaka kubaganiria amaya ase oborwaneri gose asobochori obwo oli mutwe.
This morning we are gathered here to issue nomination certificates for the successful candidates who are going to be the flag bearers of our party in the by-elections of 27 November 2025. And we are issuing the certificate for one Senate seat, Baringo. We also have a candidate in IBERE North constituency. We have a UDA candidate in Malava constituency. We have another UDA candidate in Banissa constituency. And because we are now expanded and we have been cooperating with other parties under the broad-based administration, we have made concessions so that our partners in the broad-based administration will, on our behalf, field candidates in Ugunja and Kasipul, as well as Magarini. We will also be fielding candidates in 17 ward by-elections in different parts of the country. And therefore today we are here to not only congratulate but also issue nomination certificates to the successful flag bearers or the successful aspirants who are now our candidates in the by-elections. I have no doubt whatsoever, when the time comes for us to account for our first term, we have a very, very strong report to give to the people of Kenya. I am humbled and privileged to be part of this great party, and this party has a huge future. This party is
na mwancho muligera chinga kechecho mosike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo boiganya kwa kwanira obochorio boke bwe imeje kiamekyo gose nominations esanya kwa gatamna nigo chinjire chekerero cha tumegete elie kwanekia buna obwasioku no bwene obwaburwaneri ngwane kibobole ase obochorio bwo boigo niganya kwa kwanekia buna obochorio boke ase byama noro omochakano osiasa chingi ya asense.
The party primaries is the first and last bastion for democracy. We must make sure parties conduct primaries in a fair, credible manner before demanding accountability from IBC in the national election. So I'm grateful. And we have built now on that history. And we are the first party again that I know of that has now gone into technology. We've just conducted the by-elections, primaries for the by-elections digitally, electronically. It has worked wonders. There are no disputes. And I want to challenge you, Chairman Mwaura and the team, please let us work towards expanding what we have achieved so that in the next general election, we conduct all our primaries in all the constituencies digitally, electronically. and we should do it better than even IBC.
And Your Excellency, I also want to say that we are the first political party, sir, to do digitally backed nomination.
Na mwancho mworigereri omogachi wekiamekio kia UDA oyibo igore omojumbe we bunge ya Kitutu Church North omoske Chavet mukanya kundi niganyara kabaga gotogia bali banyatuka bakoegwa ribaga ryokurukia ebendere kiamekio asabo chalia bakabori motwe zanya kabaga tabanga nabanto bamarro nande ekiringa kero chikaine zanya kabaga kabaganiria amaya asabo chalia boboigo.
Thank you, my able Secretary General, His Excellency the Deputy President, my able Chair Cecil IBERE, Chair for NEB, Anthony Mwaura. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to appreciate and applaud the National Elections Board for conducting a free, fair, credible, and verifiable nominations. You guys did a very credible job. But two, let me also take this chance to appreciate and congratulate all those who won the various nominations. You are the best. We believe you are the best. The work has just started, and I wish you guys all the best. Let us meet during your swearing in ceremony. God bless you.
Na mwanju murigere chinga kikiama kia ODM kia chengera kwa emiaka ebere muyigonya kwa kole kase getikia Gusii Stadium uyo ligetie kero kyo bojumbe imebunge ya Machoge Church omoske Evans Ogari Junior niganya kwa koboria amogusi gochamo na boigo kwanchirana na kwarigania honsi ko CHINSA boigo niganya kwa kwanira ebitambukiro ikiamekio ODM kia berige gwetera korwa kyanya tokaba gekorosiwa.
Tukoliare kwa jaga Gusii Stadium ese celebration ya nene ye miaka 20 ye kiama yeto bya ODM oise kolile lese byame byo hospitali binge bigo ike miaka 20 orere tole celebration ye kiama yeto na andoli magana siasa le rienge bune tole birthday party yo celebrate ye kiongozi yeto mheshimiwa Raila Odinga aso kibeke kiama kamo na kwa strong for the last 20 years na anda sabandu wetu ba Gusii ni wanataka kubatebya kere bintu bunebire twaliganie byamba byonse ga Gusii na tugwe komorenda engaki ya siasa kera ike na lyokonyo na twese dabasati no take support from one party to the other okonyo ore muramo na andi moende guchu uina gina ngusaba abantu baminto because of late kiabera abantu bakongusana na bago de byamba Getembe Television ebinde bitakeriga lakini egente kenene bono Kenya no morenda na chikule tukabware 2027 nade babateba 2 years in politics is a long time ye kiama muna ODM kere strong kiabeire in power wasikiabeire in existence for the last 20 years ikine kiama kerege ko nade kebwate networks iko tumuna botabe toboteba tuko tayari kama chama cha ODM kuya kabisa.
Mwanju mworigereri togangambia monesengenjo kwaba amona intwe samangana maye EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE tuko eliga lya ijuma lya rero na abono togukorera EKEONGA CHINSA IBERE ncheri gongoro kwaro ni OTOTO nyangiri korwa nsemo yimanyererio nigo twabwatara nere Wilson Makoli na boy korwa nsemo ya transmission twabwatara nere DJ Atsan gose Kevin Ongeri tomera na CHINSA igoro CHINSA inye igoro ase amangana maye gose EKEONGA CHINSA inye na boy gogendera kogokera miro billions ya Getembe TV EKEONGA kiamamusi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorbo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achabwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokiriso nyao chingaki ogoswasa bigakurigiria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagakora mirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberie kende gensi uragania bagoteberie ekambene ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuari ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga bwate chiproval net gauges ao na mono babwate no corrugated na wigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerunge tato asama bati aye chigech emerunge bire nesaro nesato babwate tile provals alia oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwa mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumuka chinga gicho gwakarenya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom unyari kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo urakwaburwe kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iliyo muchirigo musongo iyo range nebuka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo range wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgo transaction number chapo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49